Hi everyone, so lesson number 31, and we're going to do scales and arpeggios from the Aristocats. And actually this piece is a perfect example as to why we do scales in the first place. It looks really busy, and that's just because we've got lots of notes, we've got lots of scales. Don't panic about the amount of notes here. We're going to take it nice and slowly and do it bit by bit. One new thing we have got on here is we've got these little numbers. And these numbers here are what we call finger markings, and these are telling us to use particular fingers, and this will make it a little bit easier for us. And quite a few pieces, particularly sort of grade pieces or as you're learning pieces, they will have the fingering written in just to make it easier for you to know what fingers to use for each bit. Now you'll see that this bit here, all the way up here, so go C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, is a normal C major scale. And in fact, it's got the same fingering as we would normally do for scales. So 1, 2, 3, and then thumb under, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can already play part of this tune. But we've got something a little bit different here, where it's asking you to do a 2 at the start, and then a 1 on the C, and then it just turns into a C major scale again. So what we'll do is we'll have a look at this on the piano. We'll do the right hand today, and then we'll crack on the left hand tomorrow. So take a screenshot if you need to, and let's get back to the piano. So, all right. So the first bit is, they're all apples if you look back at the music, and we've got that C major scale. So we're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is where it's really important that you have a go at staying in time. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we've got B and then 2 Gs. And it's plum, plum, so plum, plum, pear. So B, G, G. So 4 apples followed by 2 plums and a pear. Apple, 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 plum, plum, pear. So we're ending on a 2 on the G. Let's go again. And then the next one starts on a B. Remember that 2 starts on a B, and we go B, C, D, E, F. Again, do the scale. We're only going up to a B, so we're going from B to B, but it's like a C major scale. So practice that. B, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. But again, 4 apples. Apple, 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 apple. And then we go E, G, E. Sorry, it's A, G, E. Again, this is plum, plum, pear. So the whole of that sequence looks like this. Apple, 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 pear. Or 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1 is a fingering. So those 2 together look like this. 1, 2, 3, and. And. I'll do that again. 1, 2, 3, and. So once we've got there, we're going to have to lift our hand up, and we're going to go back to our C major position, and we're going to think about the C major chord that we've learned, which is C, E, G. And we're going to play one by one. We go C, E, G, E. We're going to go 1, 3, 5, 3. And do it twice. 1, 2, Again, 1, 2, and they're all apples, by the way. 1, 2, 3, and apple, 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 apple. Moving on to the next bar. Next bar, you're going to jump a whole hand to the F major position and go F, A, C, A, and then F sharp and C together using fingers 5 and 1. So it looks like this. So rather than moving the thumb up because it looks quite ugly, we're going to keep the thumb on the F and use the 2 instead. So you end up with that. So those 2 bars together look like this. C major chord first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Now I would recommend that transition between those 2 chords, when you're doing this, when you get there, this is a perfect opportunity for a thumb under. Thumb under. So that, again, using our scale skills. Finally, we're going to do a C major scale all the way down, but we're going to do a slightly different fingering, just because of what's going on in the left hand. We're going to start with a 4 on the C and go 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 4 over again. 4, 3, 2, 1. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Going down from C to C. And the last bit is just D, C, C. So D, C, C. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, D, C, C. And we've got a dotted note at the end there, which if you look back on the previous lessons, you'll work out how to use those. So last bit. So let's put all that together very slowly. We start with the C major scale on 1. Then we start on B. Then we've got the chords. Thumb under. And finally, scale down. So that's how it should sound. I'm going to do it a couple more times. First time really slowly, so you can see what's going on the fingering. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. One more time. One, a little bit faster. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. 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 Good luck, and I'll see you for the left hand next time.